video is going to show you how to register with TrafficHurricane. We're going to explain every detail you need to do and every single click you need to do to register with TrafficHurricane. So let's start with the invitation. So one of your friends will send you an invitation to be a link to be under him, or he will be your sponsor. So after the invitation, you're gonna be on this page, TrafficHurricane.plus, and also you have his name written here, and he will be as an enroller for you or as a sponsor. So what you need to do is you need to fill all the data you can see now on the screen. So let's start with the first name and last name, then date of birth. So just know that the month is before the day, because in some countries they put the day first. So you should put the month, then the day, then the year. So do not miss this step. Also, going to the email address, what I do is I write the email right here and I copy paste it so I don't miss it. Also, please know that Gmail and Yahoo are only accepted emails here, or high recommended emails. We're not, if you use any other emails like mail or Outlook or any other emails, you'll not get an activation email. Also, you need to put your address, city, state, country, postal code, and phone. Account information. All you need to do here, you need to choose a unique username for you, because this one you will use it almost every day when you log in into our website, TrafficHurricane. Define a password. Password has to be characters and letters and numbers. So nothing is allowed from plus or minus or dashes or something like that. Just use letters and numbers. And also define a password. Withdrawal password is the one it's the one we call it PIN code, or the withdrawal password, or the transaction ID. So you also have to remember that almost every time. Payment information, I recommend that to leave this step later, because you can do it later and easily. Security questions, I answered them all the same, so it's easier for me to remember what I read right here. Terms and conditions, please read our terms and conditions here and check mark here, then you're ready to proceed. What you need is the turning number. To put this turning number here, then proceed. Let's do this. Now, here we go. So after that, you can have the email right here, like this email. Here we go. This email has my username and my password. It's an old email, but I'm going to show you that what you will have is similar email, username and a password and a link. This link, before I go to the link, I copy the password. It's a fake account, so I don't mind if you see my password on my username. And I go to, I press here to this link, and I go to the second verification question. What I go is, here we go. So the link will take me here to the account activation. What I will have written is my username, and what I have to write is my password, so I paste it, then I press activate. After that, I will be inside my TrafficHurricane account, and I can advertise my company easily. Thank you so much. I hope that helped.